What's good, YouTube? Alright. It's Tuesday. We got the whole week left to work. But hey! I just seen this song says 3 Hellcats Just Trying by Lovell. Something like that. Yo! Hellcats are dope. But SHELBYS are better. Ew. No, I'm just kidding. Listen, I had to click this song. I had to. It's only 2 minutes, so I feel like just be rapping about Hellcats, but hopefully it's dope. Oh, shit.
For the day, 10 white bitches tag along for the play. I've been counting all this money I've been getting every day. Young ass nigga, I'm a god to the ways, yeah. Whole squad don't belong in the city, nigga. Who am I to say the shit again? Pathway private in this bitch, you's a fuck nigga. 10 shots on your block, no luck, nigga. Talking about the bitches that'll change for the game, for the niggas that'll try to switch lanes for the fame. On me, I've been stressed out, thinking that I never really changed the city. Now you niggas need to get laid out. Mind full of shit.
That is clean right there.
Never got to pay now, was a quiet ass kid, but I'm insane now. Stayed to myself, but I'm okay now. Bitches tryna test, but I'm lost in the clouds.
Hold up, let me go back real quick. Let's look at this charger again real quick. Yeah, this one's cleaner than the other one.
Girl, I'm just trying to stay the night and make your ass feel nice. I'm just trying to take your panties off and slide my shit inside. I'm just trying to...
You hear that? I haven't even listened to the lyrics. My bad, yo. Look at this.
I'm just trying to take your panties off and slide my shit inside. I'm just trying to do so many things and there's no fucking lie. If only I could tell you why them titties make me feel like that. See my nigga fucking in the stall, don't even know the name, shit he met her at the mall.
What the fuck?
Know that I'll be back in a minute just to see that you ain't never really tried to fucking call. Fucking I'm still the god in the motherfucking area. Niggas.
Yo, alright, so I think if the white Charger came in a manual, I'd take that over that Challenger. But right now, I take the Challenger and then the white Charger and then the like black Charger.
Trying to break my barrier. Give no fucks for the shit being played. I'm oblivious to niggas with the camera.
See, this is why I can't listen to songs with cars in them. Because I be getting distracted. Like, I tell you what, I don't even know what they were rapping about, honestly. Like, I was checking out the cars, honestly. But hey, they're clean cars, I'll give them that. I'll give them that. Hellcats are another story, you know what I mean? Sorry. But hey, let me know what y'all think. There's gotta be a Shelby song out there. Mustangs. It's gotta be. And I'm gonna find it. Watch, I'm gonna find it. But yo, comment what y'all think below. Alright, y'all, question for y'all. If y'all could have any car, money's no issue, what would you guys get? Let me know. Mine would be GT500, yo. Alright, y'all, catch you guys in the next video.